So we have two questions here. Give the IUPAC name of the following questions, 1 and 2. Now we'll start with the first one. The first thing you should understand is that this has been folded into brackets. So the first thing we have to do is expand it. So when you get a question like this, make sure you expand it. Otherwise, you're going to get confused. So to expand it, we have the methyl group here. So take note of the ones in brackets and the number that comes after the brackets. So expanding this one is not in the bracket, so it's outside, which stands for the normal C, your C this way, C with the 4 carbon chains, and this was your H. Then this is the other C. Now this is what is in the bracket. Take note of what is in the bracket, because what is in the bracket is usually on the C outside of the bracket. So this comes as CH3 and CH3. It is this way because it says 2. So it says CH3, 2 of CH3. And then you have the OH, which completes the 4 carbon chains. This is what we have to name. So in naming this, step 2 is to count the longest carbon, giving the lowest number to the functional group. So the next thing you have to do is count the longest carbon chain, but make sure whatever direction you count, the one that you would eventually choose should be the one which gives the functional group the lowest number. So in this case, OH is the functional group, right? So let us start counting. So this is the first carbon, 1, 2, 3, and we end there. This is one way to count it. This is another way to count it. So this is 1, 2, 3. One way to count it. Another way is 1, 2, 3. Another way to count it. Another way is 1, 2, 3. Right? And then we find that the longest one is 3, 1, 2, 3. And in both sides, whether we go from the up 1, 2, 3, OH would be on number 2 carbon. Or if we go from this side 1, 2, 3, OH will still be on number 2 carbon. Or if we go from this side 1, 2, 3, OH still falls on number 2. So whatever direction we go, OH falls on number 2, which is good. So our parent chain is 3 carbons, and that stands for pro. This functional group is an alcohol, which is also alkanol. So that is giving us our parent chain is propanol, because it is 3 carbons and the OH is here. But note, remember that this OH is on the 2nd carbon position, and so that means we would have propan 2-ol. So rewriting that would be pro. This is our parent's name, propan 2-ol. Remember, there always has to be an hyphen between the letter and the number on both sides. Now that we have the parent chain, and if we decide to stick with this direction, let's go with this direction, right? 1, 2, 3. We also have the CH3, 1 CH3, which is the methyl group, on the 2nd carbon as well. So we have this CH3 on the 2nd carbon, which then tells us that it is 2-methyl. And then we put the parent name, which is propan 2-ol. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound, 2-methyl propan 2-ol. Do not forget to like, comment, and share.